Gabriel von Max (1840 to 1950) was a Renowned painter, scientist, and philosopher. Born in Prague, which was then part of the Austrian Empire, known for his vivid imagination and interest in spirituality, biology, and physiology. He left an indelible mark on the art and intellectual world of the 19th century. His unique works continue to intrigue art enthusiasts and scholars alike. Gabriel Cornelius Ritter von Max was born on 23rd August 1840 into a creative and intellectual family. His father, Joseph Max, was a skilled sculptor, and Gabriel grew up surrounded by art and intellectual discussion. Encouraged by his family, pursued formal art training at the Academy of Fine Arts in Prague. Later, he honed his craft at prestigious academies in Vienna and Munich, where he was influenced by prominent artists of his time. Gabriel von Max is often associated with symbolism and romanticism. His art combined dreamlike, mystical themes with a deep interest in the human physics. Many of his paintings are known for their dramatic lighting, emotional intensity, and enigmatic subject matter. One recurring theme in his work is the intersection of science, religion, and philosophy. His paintings often feature mysterious women, religious figures, and scenes that explore life, death, and the afterlife. Some of his most famous work include the ecstatic Virgin and martyrdom of Saint Ludmila. This painting reflects his fascination with spiritual ecstasy and human suffering. In addition to painting, Gabriel von Max had a deep interest in natural science, particularly biology and evolution. He collected over 60 monkeys at the home in Munich, where he studied their behavior and used theme is inspiration for his art. This monkey appeared in many of his paintings, often depicted in human-like situations, reflecting his interest in Darwin's theory of evolution and the connection between humans and animals. Von Max was deeply intrigued by spiritualism, mysticism, and the occult, which were popular in the 19th century. He attended scenes and explored themes of telepathy, dreams, and the supernatural in his art. These interests are evident in painting like The series of proverbs where the portrayed individual beloved to possess extraordinary spiritual gifts. Gabriel von Max lived a quiet and reflective life, dedicating his time to art, scientific study, and intellectual pursuit. He never married and preferred the company of like-minded thinkers and his beloved monkey in his later years. He received numerous honors of his contribution to art and science. He passed away on 24th November 1915 in Munich, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire. Gabriel von Mack's work bridged the gap between art, science, and philosophy. His paintings not only captivate viewers with their beauty and mastery, but also encourage them to think